Hello everyone, in today's episode of Green Regimen, we are going to introduce cottonseeds. Nature and flavor. Cottonseeds has a sweet and warm nature, is non-toxic, and has the functions and effects of promoting lactation, nourishing deficiency, enriching blood, and strengthening the kidneys. It can be used as an auxiliary treatment for postpartum insufficient lactation, excessive menstrual flow, abnormal uterine bleeding, and facial nerve paralysis. Dietary therapy recipes for cottonseeds include 1. Postpartum insufficient lactation. Take 50 grams of cottonseeds, crush it, add 200 milliliters of yellow rice wine, boil and remove the residue, and take it twice daily. Alternatively, take 15 grams of dried cottonseeds, 10 grams of licorice, boil them with an equal amount of water and yellow rice wine, and consume the decoction. 2. Excessive menstrual flow and abnormal uterine bleeding. Take 10 grams of roasted cottonseeds, grind it into fine powder, and dissolve it in a solution of brown sugar water. Take it twice daily. 3. Facial nerve paralysis. Take 300 grams of roasted cottonseeds kernels, grind them into fine powder, and mix them thoroughly with 30 grams each of frankincense and myrrh. Take 15 grams of the mixed powder each time, mix it with a little white sugar, and swallow it with hot yellow rice wine. After taking it, cover yourself with a blanket and lie down. This method promotes sweating and is effective. Take it twice daily. That concludes the introduction of cottonseeds. We hope that everyone can consume cottonseeds in their daily life, have a balanced diet, and live a healthy life.